Okay, welcome back. Now we're going to go ahead and enter a few more details into our first file here. We'll start with the tour title, and we'll make it something very simple today, like NCNU first tour. There you go. Now a tour description. This is my first try at Roundme. Okay, something like that. Whatever you have, you can change it later. Don't worry about it. Then we're going to go ahead and if you'd like to, you can share the camera info. That's for other people who do this a lot. They may like to know what camera was used for this one. It's up to you. All right, then after that, let's move me here, get out of the way. And let's go ahead then and save. Okay, here is our first upload. So you can see here that it says draft, and then here is the picture down below. If you click on it, you can go ahead and enter a title. So I'm going to call this one the same name as what I have in the folder is fine. If you need to name it something to help you remember what it is, that's great too. So this will be Administration Courtyard for that one, okay? All right, there we go. We have our very first one. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the icons that you see around us. We're going to start with this one. This green pencil here takes us from viewing mode into editing mode. Now when you edit, this is where you'll do all of the adding and the uploading of videos. All of this is done here. This, the eyeball one, that's what your viewer sees. So when it's done, they'll be able to log in and see your 3D like that, okay? All right, so let's go back then. Click on the eye to take it back into editing mode. And then here, we're going to upload some more panoramas. Now that we have it set, it gets a little bit easier after that. So let's go ahead and do this. And we can go ahead and go right through it to our desktop. And, okay, we've already got all the rest. Now let's go nuts. We're just going to add all the rest of the pictures here. So, open. Now remember, you can only have 15. So this is the maximum. What you can do though is replace some of the pictures you don't like with something maybe that you do if you have your own pictures. All right, so go ahead and upload all of those and then wait for them. That may take you just a little bit, but it's not too bad depending on your internet connection.